Okay. Exercise 2.4, problem 5, discussion. Let's read the problem. Find the sum of the first 40 terms of the series 1 square minus 2 square plus 3 square minus 4 square. Okay, up to, they have given it as 40 terms. So let's mark the given information. There are 40 terms. They have not told it is an arithmetic series, that they just say in series, so we need to calculate it. And this is the series which is given. Okay. So now, and we are asked to calculate sum. So n equal to 40, the series is 1 square minus 2 square. It's an equal to, sorry, it's a colon mark here. It's equal to 1 square minus 2 square plus 3 square minus 4 square. We are asked to calculate the sum, right? Okay. What is the formula? Formula is Sn equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Right? But if you look into this problem, first of all, we don't even know whether this is an AP series or not. It is not clear, right? So, I don't know whether we can use this formula or not. But so before that, the first step is to make sure that it is an AP. But it doesn't look so as of now, so we need to do something on it. So let's write the steps. Okay, group the terms so that an AP series is formed. So we'll have to do some work on these terms to make it an AP series. Then you have to identify A, D and N, the first term, the common difference, and N. Then you substitute all those values here and get the value of Sn. So the first step is to group the terms to form an AP series. Okay, that I can show it in the solution. So let's get into the solution. If we look at the series, it's 1 square minus 2 square plus 3 square plus 4 square up to 40 terms. So now let's expand. So this is 1 minus 4 and this is 9 minus 16, right? If you subtract that, this becomes 1 minus 4, 9 minus 16, group them together, two terms together. So this will be 40, will become 20 terms because we are grouping two terms together, right? So it will become 20, right? Now what is 1 minus 4? That is minus 3. 9 minus 16, that is minus 7. Similarly, if you go further, actually you should do two more terms must be given. Okay, that is 5 square and 6 square. Okay, 5 square and minus 6 square. But if you look at it, see, all the odd are positive and even are negative, right? That's why we write it as 5 square minus 6 square, the next two terms. And if you subtract these two, you'll get 25 minus 36, that is minus 11. Okay, so which means the third term in the series will be minus 11. Okay, so it will come here, minus 11. So what we have to do, we found out d by t2 minus t1. Now let's find it out by t3 minus t2. So t3 is minus 11 and t2 is minus 7 here. Okay, you got it? Right, so minus 11 minus of minus 7, that is minus 4. So d here is also minus 4. So which means d, which we calculated as t2 minus t1, is also equal to t3 minus t2, that is minus 4. So it's an arithmetic progression. So there is I think there is a small error. They should have mentioned this as AP series. If they don't mention, we'll have to do 2 times. So t3 minus t2 must be equal to t2 minus t1, then only it is an AP series. Anyway, this is just for academic interest, for you to make it complete. I'm giving you this information. Now we know we have the value of minus 4, which is d. We have a equal to minus 3 and n equal to 20, because 40 terms gets reduced to 20 when we convert, because we are making two numbers into one, right? Every two number becomes one number, so 40 will become 20. So the AP series will have only 20 terms. So substitute all these values, you'll get S20 will be equal to n by 2, that is 20 by 2 into open bracket 2a, 2 into minus 3 plus n minus 1, 20 minus 1 into d, which is minus 4. So this becomes 20 by 2 is 10 and 2 into minus 3 is minus 6. 20 minus 1 is 19. So 19 into minus 4 is minus 76. So 10 into minus 6 minus 76. So that's equal to 10 into minus 82, that is minus 822. So sum of this series is 820, minus 820 I meant to say. Okay, so the key difference in this problem is that they have not given you the arithmetic series directly, they have given it indirectly. So you have to manipulate the series to make it an arithmetic. How did you manipulate it? You group these two numbers together. 1 square minus 2 square, you found that value. Similarly, 3 square and 4 square, you found that value 3 square minus 4 square and converted into an AP series, and then it is a simple straightforward problem of substitution. But one key difference is that earlier they had told it is 40 terms, that 40 terms will become 20 terms because two numbers of the series, given series, becomes one number in our calculated AP. You got it? So 40 will become 20, half of it, right? That's the only catch here. Okay, so please try to do this problem on your own again and see whether you're getting it right. Okay, thanks for watching the video.